Hello everyone, my name is Julien and welcome to Learn Haitian Creole. In today's lesson, you are going to learn what is a possessive pronoun, how to form and use them in Haitian Creole, and finally you are going to learn what is the genitive case, how to form it and use it in Haitian Creole. Eh bien mes amis, on nous commencer. What are possessive pronouns? A possessive pronoun is a word or a group of words which replace a noun or a noun phrase expressing possession. They are words like mine, his, hers. Example, I have 5 pens and you have 10 pens. Mine are red and yours are blue. In this example, instead of saying my 5 pens are red and your 10 pens are blue, I substitute my 5 pens by mine and your 10 pens by yours. They make the phrase sound more natural. In Haitian Creole, possessive pronouns are used the same way. They are pa mwen, pa mlan, pa mwen yo, pa myo, mine, pa mwen, pa mlan, pa mwen yo, pa myo, mine, pa oua, pa ola, pa ouyo, pa ouyo, yours, pa liya, pa la, pa liyo, pa lyo, his, hers, its, pa nouan, pa nlan, pa nouyo, pa nyo, ours, pa nouan, pa nlan, pa nouyo, pa nyo, yours, pa yoa, pa yoayo, pa mwen, pa mlan, pa mwen yo, pa myo, mine, pa oua, pa ola, pa ouyo, pa ouyo, yours, pa liya, pa la, pa liyo, pa lyo, his, hers, its, pa nouan, pa nlan, pa nouyo, pa nyo, ours, pa nouan, pa nlan, pa nouyo, pa nyo, yours, pa yoa, pa yoayo, theirs. For the third person plural, we should say pa yoyo, but no one uses this form. Instead, we say pa yoayo. In some cases, you may also hear saki pou yoyo. Let's practice these examples. Pamlan pate cher. Pamlan pate cher. Mine was not expensive. Paula te pi belle. Paula te pi belle. Yours was more beautiful. Mpi pito Paula pase pamlan. Mpi pito Paula pase pamlan. I prefer yours instead of mine. Pala pa rouge. Li ble. Pala pa rouge. Li ble. His is not red. It's blue. Panlan pa bon. Panlan pa bon. Ours is not good. Payowa douce en pile. Payowa douce en pile. Theirs is very sweet. Téléphone nouan saute en Chine. Pamlan saute États-Unis. Téléphone nouan saute en Chine. Pamlan saute États-Unis. Your phone is from China. Mine is from the US. Palio coûte. Palio coûte. Theirs are short. Chemise ou yo noir. Pam yo rose. Chemise ou yo noir. Pam yo rose. Your shirts are black. Mine are pink. Radiol yo jwe fort. Mais pa yo a yo jwe pi fort. Radiol yo jwe fort. Mais pa yo a yo jwe pi fort. Her radios play loud, but theirs play louder. Now, let's see how to form the genitive case. What's the genitive case? The genitive case is a construction that we use to express possession. In the English language, it is formed by using an apostrophe s or just an apostrophe when the owner's name ends with an s. Example, Mike's car is blue. Jean's and John's scooter is from China. The Jones house is on the mountain. We can also express it with the preposition of, especially when the owner is not a person. Example, the door of the house door, the days of the week. In Haitian Creole, to form the genitive case, we must follow this construction. Possessed object plus name of the owner plus definite article. First case, if the possessed object is singular, the definite article must be singular and the singular definite article must be declined according to the sound ending the name of the owner. Example, John's car. The possessed object is car, machine in Haitian Creole. The owner is John, and the noun John requires the singular definite article l'un. Following the structure above, we must have machine John l'un. Second case, if the possessed object is singular and the owner is plural, we use the singular definite article plus yo. Possessed object plus names of the owners plus definite article plus yo. Example, my friend's car. Machine zanmim lan yo. Machine zanmim lan yo. Machine zanmim lan yo. Third case, if the possessed object is plural and the name of the owner is singular, we just use the definite article yo. Example, John's cars. Machine John yo. Machine John yo. Let's practice these examples. John's television. John's television. Television John la. John's televisions. John's televisions. Television John yo. Television John yo. The baby's milk. Let ti bébé ya. Let ti bébé ya. The car door. Pot machine la. Pot machine la. The screen of the phone. The screen of the phone. Écran téléphone la. Écran téléphone la. My friend's house. My friend's house. Kay zanmim lan yo. Kay zanmim lan yo. John and Jane's child. Timoun John ak Jan lan. Timoun John ak Jan lan. The days of the week. The days of the week. Jou semen lan yo. Jou semen lan yo. My dad's radio. Radio papam lan. Radio papam lan. Our friend's girlfriend. Menaj zanmin lan. Menaj zanmin lan. Fourth case, if the possessed object is plural and the name of the owner is also plural, we just use yo instead of yo-yo, which is grammatically correct. Example, the boys' books. The boys' books. Leave mestier yo. The seats of the planes. The seats of the planes. Place avion yo. The soldiers' planes. The soldiers' planes. Avion soldat yo. Avion soldat yo. Let's practice these examples. This book is mine. Livre ça, c'est pas moyen. Livre ça, c'est pas moyen. Is this pen yours? Plume ça, c'est pour là. Plume ça, c'est pour là. This watch is his. Montre ça, c'est pas là. Montre ça, c'est pas là. The dress is hers. Robe ça, c'est pas lia. Robe ça, c'est pas lia. This food is its. Manger ça, c'est pas lia. Manger ça, c'est pas lia. The suitcases are ours. Malet sa yo, c'est pas nou yo. Malet sa yo, c'est pas nou yo. The seats are yours. The seats are yours. Place sa yo, c'est pas nou yo. Place sa yo, c'est pas nou yo. This pencil is theirs. Crayon ça, c'est pas yo a. Crayon ça, c'est pas yo a. Robin's car is green. Machine Robin lan vert. Machine Robin lan vert. Julia's dog is so cute. Chenji liya vraiment mignon. Chenji liya vraiment mignon. My mom's coat is brown. Palto maman lan marron. Palto maman lan marron. The sailor's boat. Bateau marin yo. Bateau marin yo. My friend's new home. Nouveau habitation zami mwen yo. Nouveau habitation zami mwen yo. Mr. Wallen's cap is very old. Chat monsieur Ouléan très ancien. Chat monsieur Ouléan très ancien. My brother-in-law's cousin. My brother-in-law's cousin. Cousin beau-frère lan. Cousin beau-frère lan. My mother-in-law's house is on the hill. Kay bel mem lan sou colline lan. Kay bel mem lan sou colline lan. This is John and Jean's car. Sa se machine John ak Jean. Sa se machine John ak Jean. People's rights. Droit moun. Droit moun yo. Droit moun. Droit moun yo. This is John's mother's car. Sa se machine maman John lan. Sa se machine maman John lan. Take Emily's sister's book, please. T'en prie, prends livre c'est Emilia. T'en prie, prends livre c'est Emilia. The cover of the album. Pour album lan. Pour album lan. The album cover. The album cover. Pour album lan. The door of the car. The door of the car. Porte machine lan. The car door. The car door. Porte machine lan. Porte machine lan. Alright guys, that's all we brought for you today. I hope you understand everything. If you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye, nap croise nan yon lot leson.